Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating the bot account in Discord Developer Portal so you can control permissions. Once done, install Node, JS 18 Plus or Python 3. 10 because runtime features matter. Make sure to add common libs like Discord, JS or Discord, Pi. After that, copy the bot token and store it in an environment variable. Never paste it into source code. Then invite the bot with bot and applications, command scopes, so it can join servers and use /commands. Now you implement the core. Write a main file that logs in using the token and registers gateway intent so events arrive. You create handlers for ready and message events. Use /commands for consistent UX and register them globally or per guild during development. Once your handler structure is modular, add permission checks and cooldowns. If you want AI responses, call an API asynchronously and stream results to avoid blocking. Use caching and rate limit handling so the bot remains responsive under load. To finish, deploy the bot to a reliable host and run it with a process manager so it restarts on crashes. Set environment variables for secrets and enable logging. Once deployed, ensure your OAuth permissions and gateway intents match what the code expects, and implement graceful reconnection and exponential backoff for API failures. If something goes wrong, inspect logs for missing intents, 401 token errors, or 429 rate limit responses. Those 3 checks solve most launch problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.